need a pot.
Second, you need 2 cups of quinoa and 4 cups of water.
Perfect. Now it's kind of interesting when you look at quinoa. Look at how teeny tiny these seeds are. It's pretty amazing. And quinoa is actually a complete protein. All right, fun facts for kids with rice. So did you guys know that brown rice is actually white rice? White rice is actually brown rice? What? I know, right? No. And it's gonna be sticky, but it's fun. You can rub an onion on your eyebrows and it'll actually help your hair grow. This actually works for your hair as well. So guys, if you want fuller hair, you can do this too. You got a little I will tell you though that cabbage will also hook up your liver. Go ahead and some of you may need just a few extra strips of cabbage in your roll up. That's totally fine. Yep, here you go. Save that for later. There you go. Detox, babe. Detox. Here we go. Is that funny? All right, who's ready for the first 2 exercises? Me! Woo! Let's go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You're gonna
one leg and then the other. Good. Yep. Move your elbows. Hold on back there. Make sure you don't hit anybody.
Okay, back up, back feet. Front feet that way. Front feet that way. Front feet. Drop to the ground. Back up. Front feet. Now the other partner, try to copycat. Stay low, everybody. Get back in your heels. Get low, get low. Side to side. Good job. Who's ready to eat some spring rolls? Woo! All right, let's go. So a lot of times people would like to take something like this and the first thing they would think is let's put it in a Ziploc baggie, right? Those plastic Ziploc baggies, zip it up, great, right? But it's actually not good. So your compassionate cue for this one is please try not to use the plastic bags. They fill up and it looks like a jellyfish top, right? Because they fill up with water as they're sinking into the water. So then it looks like a jellyfish top. Guess who eats jellyfish for dinner? Turtles. So the sea turtles eat jellyfish tops as their lunch and their dinner, right? So then they see this plastic bag, they think it's a jellyfish and they accidentally try to eat it and then they can choke and they can get really sick. So we try not to use any Ziploc or plastic bags at all, right?